Hello, people out there in the crazy world. I hope you're doing okay. What we're going to do in this lesson is we're going to look at the relationship between your scores in PTE Academic, your major scores for listening, reading, writing, speaking, and your enabling skill scores. And we're going to look at how you can boost both of them. Okay, so let's take a look. PTE Academic, build your skills to boost your scores. Once upon a time, I took PTE Academic. Believe it or not, it was nearly 4 years to the day. Let's take a look at my scores. So I got 90, 90, 90, 90, which I was happy about. I wasn't too happy about my enabling skill scores, however. I did not get a perfect score for grammar, spelling, or even vocabulary for some unknown reason. Nevertheless, that can happen. Your enabling skill scores can be quite low, especially for skills such as spelling, and it doesn't impact your overall score for writing, for example, that much. But what's really important here to understand is that the macro skills for listening, reading, writing, and speaking depend on your enabling skill scores. In other words, you need to have good, strong enabling skill scores in order to boost your major scores. How do we do that? Because ultimately, they are what is language. That is what language is all about. Let's take a closer look at them. So you've got grammar, oral fluency, pronunciation, spelling, vocabulary, and written discourse. Now, let's say you're getting a really low grammar score. That's not good because that's going to impact all of your other skills. Well, more specifically, especially speaking and writing, okay? How do you improve your grammar to boost your speaking and writing scores? Here's how. You need to go and check out this course on E2School.com and you can sign up for free. The course is called Grammar Review. Just quickly, E2School is like the sister platform for E2Language.com. E2Language.com is for test prep, right? Lots of practice tests, mock tests, live classes, tutorials, feedback for all of your high stakes test prep stuff. E2School is for that skill building stuff. So let's have a quick look at Grammar Review. Okay, so the grammar course is broken up into all the different parts of grammar, like verbs and adjectives and nouns and abstract nouns and concrete nouns, etc. And what you do is you learn about them, and then more importantly, you get to apply them to listening, reading, writing, and speaking activities. So this is a listening activity that focuses on verb tenses, which will help you enormously in your PTE. What about if you need to boost your speaking scores, such as oral fluency, pronunciation, and in the writing section, your spelling score? In that case, you need to check out this course on e2school.com. It's called Speaking Lab, and you can sign up for free. Let's take a quick look. Okay, so this is the pronunciation course called Speaking Lab. Not only does it teach you how to pronounce words effectively and accurately, it also teaches you how to spell them as well. So it takes you through all the 44 sounds of English, teaches you how to say them properly, and then even cooler, you get to use our AI to actually evaluate your pronunciation. Okay, so what about if you need to improve your vocabulary and written discourse scores? In other words, you need to improve your writing scores or even your reading scores, then you should check out this course here. It's level 4, test ready on e2school.com, and you can sign up for free. Let's take a quick look at it. Okay, so level 4 is really good. What it does is it breaks down vocabulary and test-taking skills by theme. So here you can see culture and society, environment, health, education, science and tech, business, etc. These are the types of essay prompts that you're going to get on test day in PTE Academic. So you need to build your vocabulary and test-taking skills around these themes. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch really cool interactive videos and you're going to do corresponding exercises as you do them. And it's going to give you feedback on all of your skills, and you're going to build up your vocabulary in each of those themes. Cool, so that's how you actually build your scores. There's no real trickery involved in this. It is a skill building function. You need to build your enabling skill scores to therefore build your listening, reading, writing, speaking scores to get up to 65 or 79 plus. It's not magic, but I tell you what, check out E2School.com because it is magic. It's going to help you to build those skills and to boost your scores. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Ta-ta.